Alex, why is your spoon in there? My ice cream is too cold. What? Get it out of there before... I'll go buy the replacement. 1 week later.
Hey, the package is there.
Why is there a parallel universe button? Oh, it probably does nothing. I'm gonna go touch it.
Right, if anyone asks, Chris was a hallucination.
Ah, where am I? Oh, that's convenient. Nuclear bombs. North and South Korea. Oh, America joining in. Wait. Oh god, no hot chocolate. Wow, nothing's here. I could be alone with my thoughts. Hey, Chris. I think he was left alone with thoughts too long again.